Local news for Tuesday the 28th of May. State Highway 2 just south of Masterton was closed for a time yesterday afternoon between East Taratahi and Wiltons Road due to a car accident. Emergency services were quickly on the scene after the crash at approximately 3 p.m, with the road reopened at 4:45. A cricket farm in the Wairarapa will be the first of its kind in New Zealand to provide 100% locally sourced cricket flour. Rebel Bakehouse began work on its cricket farm 18 months ago to ultimately provide flour for its new cricket flour wraps, which will launch into Kiwi supermarkets in March this year. The Masterton District Library will be closed tomorrow as earthquake strengthening work continues. It's one of two planned days, with the next one set down for Wednesday the 5th of June. And in sports, in football, the Wairarapa United men went down 6-1 at the weekend, while the women picked up a 1-0 win. The under-17s beat Seatoun 15-0. And in hockey, both Dalefield men's and women's sides picked up wins. The men remained top of the table, while the women sit in fourth.